Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Right now I have you here with my sister. Hi! Right now we're going to be making dinner. So we have mashed potatoes, homemade mashed potatoes, and then baby corn, and then we have this salad. So we're going to pour the salad in. Okay, now.
Okay, you got all the salad in.
Yeah. So now we're going to put the bacon in. Yeah, put that in.
All of it? You got all the bacon? I got all the bacon in. You can't really see.
I'm gonna put the Parmesan.
Yeah, that's simple. Wait, it looks like we're making pizza while we're not making it.
Yeah, like the last video. Okay, now we're gonna put
our last video.
like a little bit of this cheesecake. Or what's that called? Okay. Alright, so now
it looks so good.
Cucumbers. Now we're gonna add some chicken.
Chicken's the best. Do we have like some like crispy?
Yeah, croutons.
Yeah, I don't really know what they cost.
Right there. Oh my. These are gonna go in our mom's salad though.
So we're not doing
Then, now we're gonna leave this to the side.
Yes.
And then, so right here, we have that's corn. There's mashed potatoes, and then maple bacon. It actually smells like syrup. So now we're gonna get the dinner table ready.
Yeah. So I love getting the table ready. So I was standing on my tippy toes because I can't, because I'm really like short, so I just stand on my like tiptoes. It'll be so big. So I'll see you guys at the table.
Come here, grab one.
I'm gonna grab a
Put the plates. And then go get the bowls for the salad. Put one on one side. Oh, that's right. And if y'all didn't know, we have a cat. This is our cat right there.
We also got a dog.
Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna get the bowls. There's no bowls, so
Guys, I'm gonna get started.
now I have to get this bowl.
Mommy, can you give me a cup? I want the milk.
Yeah, I'll get it for her. I got one bowl. This bowl. Actually, over here. Put that bowl back. Actually. I'm gonna get these bowls actually. Okay. Wait, hold on. Wait, keep that over there. Look, I found a matching bowl to it.
And it had the same bottom.
Yeah. Okay. Put one at one.
Mommy, can you give me a cup?
I'm gonna get it for you. Here, go put this in your room real quick. Yeah, they go run over there. And
I have a lot of school.
oh, say can you?
Okay, baby, I have a lot of I got a lot of school because I went to school today and I got all of that.
So now she's gonna go do that. And then, so basically, I'm gonna tell you guys the shout out of today. The shout out is my pop. Hold on, Libby. The shout out is my papa and my baby Declan. Those are the shout outs because baby Declan just turned 1 on Halloween, and Papa, he's just my shout out for today. Okay, and so now we're gonna go check on the what's it called? Mashed potatoes. So let's go over there.
Oh, the mashed potatoes. So the mashed potato. I'm gonna talk to her.
Yeah, you talk to them. It's gonna be a little loud because
It's gonna be a little loud, like a little bit loud. So you can see and see me.
let me fix the camera. So we're always gonna see right here. If you see the numbers, what number are we gonna put it? The number 2. Okay. So once you ready? Get the milk.
Milk, I have it.
That should be good for me. Okay.
So guys, I might help. It's a little loud.
My mom's gonna do it.
Yeah, but our mom. Look at our kitty cat. Get off.
So this is our cat.
Oh, sometimes I can climb on the table.
Yeah. Say hi.
I can't really say hi. Who's the cat? I can't really say hi.
Ow. You scratched me. So this is the mashed potato. So just scratch me. Okay, so now we have also the corn right here. So I'm gonna stir this up. And also the mashed potatoes. Let me stir the mashed potatoes up first. This looks yummy.
Yeah, it looks yummy, but I'm not gonna eat
I
it.
think this is done. I'm gonna get Olivia, you come over here.
I'm gonna talk to you.
Yeah.
Ah, guys, I'm sorry, the camera might flip sometimes. So I'm gonna be talking to you guys. So guys, you know when you like get these in the mail? You know when you get these in the mail, they're really cool and and you see great like TikTok. So I'm gonna tell you the picture, then you can look at it.
Yeah, and our papa gave that to us. Oh wait, I think he gave me a different one, but
Oh no, so I'm gonna read it. Owls is alive. People and birds that really look like them. But I'm actually gonna say the picture. I don't know how to use it, so I'm gonna show you. So owls, people, and penguins, and a lion. So some of these are my favorite animals too. Oh, we found my favorite animal.
I'm gonna record like this. So, in the next video, I'm gonna record like this. So, right now I have the corn on it, my plate. And then, so this is what my sister,
Is it my plate?
she has applesauce in a cup. So then she has macaroni. And then, so basically, I'm gonna get it. Use this. Yeah. I'm gonna just clap it on.
Corn and eggs. I love eggs and corn. Then my mom is gonna make me something else, but I do not know. Mom, can you give me a cup?
But I'm not gonna turn it on. Okay, so my mom's gonna eat it out of a bowl. So I got my corn, my mashed potatoes, and then this is my sister's. She got corn and then some.
And I got some more.
She has some milk, applesauce, and eggs and corn. My mom's getting her corn. So then also we're having me and my mom are having a salad. So that's all for today. Bye.